Our friend Matt lives in the high and lonesome mountains in New Mexico. He never believed me when I told him I'd come and visit him, but here I am. We set up camp and lived into the days hillbilly style, making good use of his toys and introduced Patch into wilderness.
Got it. Are you exhausted?
Matt also has a 17-foot aluminum canoe,
It'll be a good time.
which we wanted to get wet.
A cat, a dog, tons of equipment, canoes on the top. Matt is driving. And now we're going to Durango to splash the canoe.
Never know what happens on a 3-day tour.
Trusting in the newborn friendship between Patch and Matt's pit bull Windsor, we invited them to join.
Wish that I could stay.
Patch got her
For
first
this
bass.
moment to never go away. But it's all in my mind.
Loaded with all we need,
Though I know that there
we
is
floated the
nothing
Animas
to
River from
find.
Durango down to the fork with the San Juan River.
You're a beautiful sight in the summer night.
Let's see how that works out.
And you can't put up a fight in the misty light.
Great river so far. I love it. The camp we had yesterday was just holy moly, that was nice. On an island in the river, no mosquitoes. We didn't have any bugs over there.
See how you roam while you roam in the streets all alone.
There had to have been 20 or 30 gallons in here.
All you can see.
We're down to the last little bit, just cleaning her up. Because my dog doesn't like to get a wet behind. 20 to 30 gallons.
You're a beautiful sight in the summer night. And you can't put up a fight in the misty light.
Every night we built a camp, started a fire, and prepared dinner. Whenever we were facing one of the multiple dams, we had to unload the canoe and portage it around.
Fantastic.
Like the mothers of Brazil find the way.
Stuck.
Let's go upstream.
Oh yeah.
We're all on our own, but you're the most beautiful I've ever known. You're a beautiful sight in the sun.
Running a river with a dog and a cat. And
And you can't put up a
Matt.
fight in the
Over.
misty light.
Patch and Windsor got along together amazingly good and shared the little room like true buddies. Definitely an adventure I like to relive. Thanks Matt for an unforgettable trip.
she just crossed the creek. You're a good cat, Patch. Yeah. She still follows me around here. Oh, I gotta take my breaks here, everyone. Here and there.
Yeah.
To make sure she's catching up. Yeah, that works great. We're pretty much done with our hike around the lake. I love her.
After the beauty of the southern states, I pointed Mega Beast towards Mexico again. Crossed the border in El Paso, but kept driving towards my first destination, Cascadas Pasasiache. With over 250 meters, it's Mexico's highest waterfall. Patch and me were the only visitors, and the view was absolutely amazing. Back on the road, we stopped here and there, but mostly kept driving, trusting Google Maps to show me where to go. While when the phone suddenly stopped, I found myself without any navigation but my memories of the planned route. I must have taken the wrong turn and ended up on roads which got dirtier, smaller, steeper, and worse with every kilometer I kept on. I was lost and passed the point of no return multiple times, so we had to go on. The good thing was that there weren't many other roads or intersections, and I hoped that the road would lead us to our destination, and it's not just ending somewhere on top of the mountains. The winding road was climbing up and down multiple ridges and valleys, with altitude changes from 7,000 feet to 1,000 feet many times. Mega Beast was holding strong, but the brakes were getting hot. So I took every opportunity to cool the brakes, and myself. The views we had were breathtaking, leaving us stoked, but also aware that we were far, far away from any civilization. The few humans we met gave us directions, but it mostly meant, keep driving, there's no other road. 2 days later, we finally hit a sealed road, and the mountain adventure was over.
It actually feels so good just to put on the cruise control. You don't have to worry about potholes anymore.
A few days more and Mega Beast would be parked next to Zero and the work starts again.
So the journey is over. I'm back in Guaymas, Zero and the RV. And it looks kind of okay from here, but let's check it out up there. I can see that my sun cover is torn to pieces. Yeah, you know that, huh? Is that home? Yeah? Oh yeah, I remember. You gotta check if there's any mouse or rats in here. So altogether, it looks kind of good. It looks dirty, but I knew that it would be dirty. I mean, this is the desert, so the dust goes everywhere. Now I gotta start cleaning it up, making some room, and organize the whole boat, and then get back to work, I guess. But that's it from the trip. That was an awesome trip. I'm really happy that I decided to do it. I got so many new impressions. I learned a ton of things, and I made some friends. So, yeah. Thumbs up for that RV trip, and now it's back to boating. Hello and out.
Just me and my boat. It's just me